Well, there's the iconic Jefferson/Market East Station mosaic. Down that way was the train I just got off of. And there comes the train that just was there. There's the outbound side of the mosaic. And here we come to and we all know this thingy, the 10th and Filbert Street elevator at Jefferson/Market East Station, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Let me get my key card. Oh, I think I have to use my actual key card. Hang on. There we go. Get my camera. This is an Otis installed in 1984 when this station opened. It's reddish. It's a reddish color. They decided to slap a piece of tape over the lantern there. I have my key card. Yeah. This thing is pretty slow nowadays. Wow, that thing is slow to respond to calls. This thing has gotten slower to respond to calls. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Very slow. Wow. This thing is slow. This thing is very slow. Just look at that. This thing has gotten slow since I last filmed it in December. When I was here doing some Christmas shopping. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. At least all the lights are working. S is locked, so we'll go to C. Must have been slow because it was running, because it was parked or something for a long time. Let's go back down to P and get a cab view. It's a very nice elevator. The street is still locked. Go back up to C if no one is here.
Platform level going up.
I think it's an overhead fire stroke, but I'm not sure. We're going to send it down to P so I can get the lantern this time. Again, like I did.
Concourse level. Going down.
I can see what caused it to be so slow. Yet only gets so slow if it stopped for so long. It's parked up here for so long. It should be coming up any minute. Here it comes. And that's it.